fucking time.
What the fuck? Dude! Yeah, I almost just took you out.
Well, slow down.
I'm sitting in traffic. What do you mean slow
So
down?
was I.
What? You have no lane.
Pull it over in front of me.
I've got you on camera too, sir.
That's all right.
That's fine.
You don't have to blow the horn like that at me.
I almost just hit you.
No, you see me coming.
Are you kidding? I saw you coming. There's nothing left. How can I see you coming?
See me coming.
I did not see you coming. Run my plate. There's no plate to run. I'm going around, you fucker.
You scared him. They don't like that.
Sure he didn't. Jesus Christ. Slow down. I'm going fucking 5 miles an hour. Slow down.
I mean, I can't deal with this. I had a drink yet, Rich. Jesus